Hi, good morning. My name is Robert Arnason. I'm a reporter with the Western Producer newspaper. And here today I'm with Ian Clifford, who is the Chief Executive Officer and co-founder of FuelPositive, a company from Waterloo, Ontario. So Ian, we're standing here near Sperling, Manitoba on sort of a chilly Tuesday morning in November. What are we looking at here, Ian? Can you tell us a little bit about this technology behind us?
Sure. No, you're standing in the midst of the first farmer-owned on-farm green ammonia system in the world. So this system is designed for farmers to produce their number one input, and that is nitrogen fertilizer, on farm with reliability in terms of cost and reliability in terms of supply. So a hugely important part of agriculture, and a part of agriculture that farmers are really suffer from every single season. The volatility in price, volatility in supply is a big issue for them. So we've designed a system that sits on the farm, that the farmer owns, that produces their nitrogen fertilizer at levels that they need to meet their fertilizer needs year in, year out.
So this is sort of a, I guess the word would be a modular system. So it's a bunch of different like shipping containers.
Yep.
Can you just sort of describe to us like what is inside this shipping container? Like what does this equipment do?
Sure. So to produce ammonia, you need hydrogen, you need nitrogen, you need heat, you need pressure, and you need a catalyst. So we produce green hydrogen through electrolysis. So we plug into the green grid here in Manitoba. We use water from the farm. We produce green hydrogen. We extract nitrogen from the air. We combine those two elements together, and then they go into, this is the core of our intellectual property, a ammonia synthesis system, which is made up of a modular design, so it's very easy to scale. It's also very easy to turn on and off, which is really important if you start thinking about producing your green ammonia utilizing wind or solar power or renewables that are variable. So all of that is contained here on farm. We can scale up to farms, 10,000 acres, 50,000 acres, all the way down to much smaller farms. We have a lot of farmers who are farming 2,000 acres or less who want to co-op together and own a system. So there's a lot of versatility here in terms of how we can design and deploy systems for various types of farming.
Good. So this technology is obviously very disruptive for the fertilizer industry. What kind of interest are you seeing from growers and other people in the agricultural sector in Canada?
The response has been overwhelming. We've had so much interest across Canada, around the world. We had to make a decision in terms of where to really start, and we've decided that Manitoba is the right ecosystem for us as a company. It's got tremendous, very, very skilled workers. It's got phenomenal educators and academics in the field. And then it's got hundreds and hundreds of farms that are perfect for this type of technology, and lots of early adopter farmers who are really looking to innovate and adopt technology like this. So we're focused on Manitoba. This is where we're going to grow the company, with ultimately the intention to export around the world.
And last question for you. So where are we at with this installation? Is it going to be functional soon, or what's the plan?
So this system that we're in the midst of right now is about 95% commissioned. We're waiting for our last pieces of approval from Manitoba Hydro and from Pressure Vessels, Ministry of Labor. All of that is in the works. I expect that this system will be fully up and running by the end of this year.
All right. Well, good luck, and thanks.
Yeah.
Thanks for talking to me. Appreciate it.
No, I appreciate the questions. Thank you.
Thank you.